Here on the windswept plains of North America, we find a creature as iconic as the bald eagle, as enduring as the redwoods, the American bison. These majestic beasts, with their shaggy coats and powerful frames, have long captured the human imagination. For centuries, they have thundered across the grasslands, shaping the landscape and playing a vital role in the lives of the indigenous peoples who shared their home. The American bison is a true giant, the largest land mammal in North America. Bulls, with their massive heads and prominent humps, can weigh over 2,000 pounds. Their thick, dark brown coats provide insulation against the harsh winters, while their sharp horns are a formidable defense against predators. Despite their size, bison are surprisingly agile, capable of running at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. Their hooves, specially adapted for the terrain, allow them to navigate the rugged landscape with ease. Since the late 19th century, the U.S. Department of the Interior has played a crucial role in the conservation of the American bison. The near extinction of bison due to overhunting and habitat loss was a turning point in American conservation. The Department of the Interior, through agencies like the National Park Service and the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, has worked tirelessly to protect and restore bison populations. While often called buffalo, the American bison is a distinct species. True buffalo are found in Africa and Asia, while bison are native to North America and Europe. Although closely related, there are key differences between the two. Bison have larger heads, shaggier coats, and more prominent humps than buffalo. So, while the terms are often used interchangeably, it's important to remember that our American icon is a bison, not a buffalo. Yellowstone National Park holds a special place in the story of the American bison. It is the only place in the United States where bison have lived continuously since prehistoric times. Here, amidst geysers and hot springs, these magnificent creatures roam freely, a testament to the park's commitment to conservation. Yellowstone's bison population is one of the largest and most genetically diverse in the world, playing a vital role in the ecosystem. A young bison is a sight to behold, full of energy and curiosity. Calves, known as red dogs due to their reddish-brown coats, stay close to their mothers for protection. They are playful and inquisitive, often seen frolicking and sparring with each other. As they grow, their coats darken, and they learn the ways of the herd, preparing for their role in this complex social structure. The history of the American bison is deeply intertwined with the history of Native Americans. For centuries, bison were a vital source of food, clothing, and shelter for many tribes. Their hides provided warmth and protection, their meat sustenance, and their bones tools and ornaments. The relationship between Native Americans and bison was one of respect and reverence, recognizing the animal's importance to their culture and survival. Understanding bison behavior can be crucial, especially when observing them in the wild. A bison's tail can tell you a lot about its mood. A raised tail often signals alertness or agitation, while a tail tucked between the legs can indicate fear or submission. By observing their body language, we can gain a deeper understanding of their communication and social dynamics. The ancestry of the American bison takes us back thousands of years, to the steppes of southern Asia. Their ancestors, the steppe bison, migrated across the Bering Land Bridge, eventually evolving into the species we know today. This ancient lineage connects the American bison to a vast network of life that spans continents and millennia. Despite their imposing presence, bison are surprisingly nearsighted. Their vision, while adequate for navigating their surroundings, is not their strongest sense. They rely more on their keen sense of smell and hearing to detect danger and communicate with each other. This fascinating adaptation highlights the diverse ways in which animals have evolved to thrive in their environments. Today, the Department of the Interior continues its commitment to the American bison, working with tribal, state, and conservation partners to restore large wild herds. Through collaborative efforts, bison are being reintroduced to their native ranges, helping to revitalize ecosystems and reconnect people with this iconic species. These efforts are not just about conservation, they are about honoring a legacy and ensuring that future generations can experience the awe-inspiring presence of the American bison. The American bison stands as a powerful symbol of American wildlife conservation. From the brink of extinction, they have made a remarkable comeback, thanks to dedicated conservation efforts. By supporting our national parks and wildlife refuges, we can help ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to roam free for generations to come. The story of the American bison is a testament to the resilience of nature and the power of human action. As they graze on the wind-swept plains, their thunderous hooves a reminder of an ancient rhythm. We are reminded that the future of this iconic species rests in our hands,